So I've selected this edge from end to end, scale, shift and scale. Then move and move, front view, see it's a straight line. I'll create this shape and now I need to bend it. I need to create a bend here. So like bend means chamfer this corner and make it a really nice smooth shape. And isolate this, I'll check, and now you can see all the shapes. Now we started doing bit complex modeling. So move it, direction according to the shape, have to match. Akshay also joining. These lines I can keep it straight only. And inside part is not visible. It's not visible, so it doesn't matter. Create this G. So this part is filled. The only thing I have to keep in mind is I'll go to edge mode, Q, select this entire edge loop, or I can do it like this, or what I can do is isolate this, select all the edges, or if you click on ring, it will select all these edges and then connect them. So I'll get this connected. Oh, my bad. Connect. Now it's better. And then exit this thing and push it slightly outside. So you get this nice edge. Now, based on this shape, I have to move this one slightly outside. Oh, I don't know, this Max new version having some issue with my system, I believe. Something. It's like getting slow day by day. Make sure push it inside. No gaps are visible. All this thing I'll make it super straight with the help of scaling. And now if I go and switch on my nerve smoothing preview, 2 or 3 iteration, okay, 2 is enough iteration. You see, it's giving me that nice smooth round shape perspective. This part and this two part I can combine, and then if I want I can symmetry it. And like before that, I need to make it a little more smooth. So I have to select all the edges, the front side, all the edges. Before that, all those unwanted sides. Okay, okay, let's keep it. Chamfer, chamfer it. One this thing is fine, and then make it slightly rounded. Got this rounded shape. If you want, you can switch on nerve smoothing for this also, and you can see it's clean, smooth shape. Let's go to material, press M, select all three, apply it. Four, half, you can see half thing, and this half I have to cut it here. I need to apply a cut here. So off, shift loop, and you can see apply one loop here to hold the shape. Whenever like if you want to hold any shape, you need to have three loops there. So inside we have loops already, outside we have three loops. If I apply this now, it will hold this shape. Now for this is fine, so this two also I'll select, and okay, attach with this box. Okay, it's for this box I cannot do now because there's no loops in between. Like if even if I have this, it won't work properly. So this thing also have to symmetry this side, or I can just simply mirror it, copy X direction, okay, and move it and place it here, front, and this part I need to apply a symmetry here. Symmetry. Oh, symmetry, if I apply, there's a problem. Like my nerves smoothing is on. If I symmetry in with that, it will automatically apply a turbo smooth on this. So I have to make sure switch it off. Symmetry, flip, place it. So I got the basic, see, the basic structure, everything is here. Create this section, and these are little long, taller. This base, I can use this, or this base also have those cushions. So what I can do, I can select only any one of the section, edit poly.
So,
Yes,
one question.
yes,
So, can we copy the previous questions from the previous files and can we keep it in the new file?
yes, that's what I'm planning. That's what I'm planning. I'll just remove most of the area.
Okay.
Whenever we have this clean shape, I'll use that section only. The rest everything remove, because there's no point creating same thing again and again. So this part, this is like fine, and make sure deselect everything. This thing, shift, and but you can see now if you shift and drag, it will extrude, but I don't want to do that. Okay, that option, okay, any no longer it's there. Previously, like in older version, if you press like select any face and shift and drag, it usually used to create a duplicate of the model. Now that option is they have removed it. I don't know why. Let's see. Maybe they give a option collapse dash smooth. No. Mhm. No.
Sir, under named selections, there's copy above the polygon. Uh, yeah.
Copy. Okay. This I never used. Copy name selected. It will copy the geometry, I guess, but I want to copy only this section, like this selected. Okay, it's not there.
Yes.
Okay, anyways, that is something I can like. Anyways, I'll just shift and drag and duplicate and do it. That is, I can do it. Deleted, deleted. I just duplicated the entire thing and deleted that section. Now we have this thing, pivot, center, go back, base, here, move it slightly, keep it inside so that we have nice alignment front. From this point starting, now we can just simply switch on our vertex and again we can duplicate this thing, right? Thus far, oh, 10 times is too much. Basic structure, and this thing also will do the same thing. Select one, then attach, then select all the vertices, weld, border, left view, and cap it. Go to front, go to front on a perspective view. G. So basic shape is ready. Almost, you can see almost everything is ready. Only the distance I feel is little less. This. And now we have this section, like I can see I need to increase, like extend this slightly. So I'll go to left view, select the initial vertices or maybe half of it, go to soft selection and increase the fall off, then push it outside. It will be soft and smooth and will stretch that section without distortion or maybe very less distortion. Excuse me. Like this will create and fill all those gaps, and like I'll create that a stand and this thing should extend till here. So I'll create those things. I'll just save it. Okay. I have another class now. Small class. So far, beautiful. So we'll continue this tomorrow. We'll finish this, add this thing, and and fix everything and shape volume, make it smooth. Right now it's not smooth enough, so we'll make it smooth and clean and fix everything and cover all those section, all those holes and everything, and then we'll optimize it. Like because optimization also very important. Focus for low poly, because in game most of the models are low poly, so we have to create an optimized version of this also, so that we reduce polygons and make it really smooth and nice clean shape. And we should I'll show you another one process like where we how to smooth this and make it a really smooth version of this model, and it looks high poly. So in future it will be very easy for you to create this kind of structure. And we'll start with the curtain. So this is almost there. I just have to fill those gaps and stand and everything and make it a little bit longer and like align with this. I'll do that. So just give me a second. I will just I have another class. They are waiting. Check you and so just give me a second. Mark the attendance. is no. Akshay and
Yeah, it's
this one only, right? Okay.
yeah, yes.
Okay. And like Akshay, you asked for that, like you missed some classes about that, right? So I have you have that link, right, where I'm uploading all the videos.
Yes.
Okay, so what you can do is you can go and check those videos, and during class or during doubt clearing session, you can ask me. I'll clear off any of the any of your doubts. Like what just it's all about practice. So check them and try to practice that. If you have any doubt or stuck anywhere, you can ask me. I'll solve it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay then. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I have another class now.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye bye.